So you believe that the third child could be yours?
Every time she stepped outside the relationship, she ended up pregnant.
She hit me up and she said she was pregnant. It looked just like her second child that she had by the white.
Who else could be the father of your third child other than Mr. Kellum?
No one, Your Honor.
When it comes to the paternity of 1-month-old Harmony Bigby, Mr. Kellum, you...
We'll find out today if this man is the father of her child. This is Cuddler. Joshua Kellum is here because he questions the paternity of his ex-girlfriend's 1-month-old daughter. He says she has a history of cheating, so he wants a DNA test to find out if he's the father as she claims. Shanika Bigby admits there were 2 potential fathers of her child, but after the other man's DNA test came back negative, she's certain Josh is the one.
Your Honor, this is case number 1075, Kellum versus Bigby.
Mr. Kellum, you are here because there is a question of paternity, whether you are the father of Miss Bigby's child. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Tell me about your relationship with Miss Bigby.
So I met Miss Bigby in the workplace. We kind of started talking, seeing each other, riding the train together, and it kind of got serious.
And about how long ago was all this happening?
I want to say it happened in 2014,
Okay.
to be exact. And
All right.
we just consistently started having problems. Like,
What kind of problems?
Started drinking a lot, not coming home.
What other problems were you starting to have around that time?
And as far as arguments and things, we just argue about a lot of things of consistently things that I need from her as my lady. Like,
You know how to communicate them correctly. That's why we got arguing all the time.
Cooking,
Okay, hold on, Miss
cleaning.
Bigby.
One day we end up getting into a big argument at work due to another girl at work because she said we consistently flirted with each other at
They
work.
did all the time.
But this wasn't my problem, Your Honor. If somebody just walks in the
It ain't
bathroom
never his
on you,
problem.
what can you do?
How often did she walk in the bathroom on you?
Well-
Was that just one time?
Well, it was only one time.
You weren't there when the bathroom situation happened.
No, but I had a coworker that always kept me updated and on what they had going.
Okay, so
But
you had eyes
he
on
did confirm that she did come in the restaurant with him.
Did you all break up at some point, or what happened after that?
Well, we actually did break up. Well, we had a child first, I'm sorry.
Yeah, so
Okay.
We did have a
actually
child. We
did
have a
break up.
7-year-old.
You had a child together,
Mm-hmm.
okay, and then after the child was born, you all broke up?
Yes,
Yeah,
so
I
what
left.
happened?
Did she step out of the relationship at some point?
Yes, she had a relationship with somebody else, with a Caucasian dude, with a white dude. So actually, once I found out because I said, it's just something about this dude.
How'd you meet him?
At a baby shower.
Whose baby
she-
shower?
Her baby shower, that the kid that she was having with him, that she was telling me that it was mine.
Okay.
So you were involved with another man,
Mm-hmm.
and you became pregnant, and you told Mr. Kellum it was his child,
Yes.
but it wasn't?
I wasn't sure who child it was. I
Okay.
told both of them it was their
I
child.
spent money for
Okay.
baby showers.
So that was-
I spent
that was the
money
second
for
child you
gender
had, correct?
reveals. I spent thousands of dollars for this child, and
Yeah.
this man shook my hand at the baby shower. She say, "This is my sister friend." I say, "Something ain't right about this. Why is she coming through the door hollering your name like this?" Because he just bust through the door. Where's Shanika?
It was
Where's
my baby
Shanika?
shower.
I'm
he,
like,
he
who
was
is
looking
this
for
guy?
he was looking for the
I've
pregnant
been with
woman.
you 5
So
years.
wait. So did this gentleman believe that the baby showers was for him and Miss Bigby?
No, him and Miss Bigby was having a situation behind my back that I didn't know about. So he was mad about something with her.
So he shows up at the shower.
Shower just,
So did
Wow.
you think the baby shower was for you?
it was for me. So someone just wasn't telling me it was just men intuition. Just like women have intuition, it was just men intuition. Like something is not right about him. Like,
Okay.
So,
And so at what point did you find out that he was actually this baby's father?
So actually, I came home, like I started coming home early because like I say, my man intuition kicking. So I say, I'm gonna start getting off work early coming home. So I see his car in my driveway. I say, I went through the front door, but I hear the side door closing while I'm going through the front door. She comes through the front door with a bra and shorts on. I say, what's going on here?
I walk around the house like that, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Okay, did you ever see this gentleman?
Yes, he was pulling off I was.
Because you'd already
Going-
seen his car.
I already seen his car.
And how did you know that was his car?
Because at the baby shower.
Oh, okay, you
Yeah.
saw him get in.
Yeah, I saw him get in
okay.
the car because once he seen it, I was there because I guess he thought I wasn't going to be at the baby shower.
But he found out
Once
because I told him that he probably be the father.
8 months pregnant after I spent $1,000 on the baby shower and a gender reveal. 8 months after she was pregnant, she say, I think you're not the father of the child. That
Okay,
broke my heart.
wait. At what point was he at your house? How far pregnant was she when he showed up at your house?
That's probably, I want to say, a couple of months after the baby shower.
So how many months would Miss Bigby have been?
That's how
She
she
prob-
ended up
This timeline is getting explosive. In a paternity case, suspicion isn't proof, DNA is.
He just, he
If the
just
dates
left
don't
some
add up,
genes in
who do
there,
you
some,
think the
good
science will
light-skinned
expose?
genes.
Probably then at the baby shower, I want to say she was like 4 months pregnant.
Are any of them Mr. Kellum's?
Yes, the first one. The second one, not the third one. We in question right now.
That's
And-
what the third
And
one
the
is
first
why
one
we.
was-
Yeah,
too.
yeah. What's that? What?
What?
She questioned it too, the first one, because I don't know what she was doing way before I figured out who type of person she was. I don't know what she was doing.
Yeah, like the third child. Mr. Kellum,
See,
he.
we got,
Hold on,
we got-
Mr. Kellum, let her talk.
I went and got into another entanglement with somebody else.
And she calling them
Okay.
entanglements like it's just.
Hold on.
I went and got
So-
into another entanglement with somebody else. That's
Why? Why?
Because I had proof he was talking to some female on Facebook. He always running on social media looking for girlfriends. Like in his DM, you want to be my girlfriend? You want to be my
I
girlfriend?
just-
Can you be my
that's a lie.
girlfriend?
Do you have proof of these DMs?
No, I don't.
Okay, see, you come here and people want to tell us, I need to see it. And who's blue?
So I'm blue, and he's red. And so basically, she been sleeping with both of us through this whole time.
After I spent $1,000 on the baby shower and a gender reveal.
So, Miss Bigby, at what point was it after child number 1 or child number 2 that you found out that he had slept with somebody else?
It was at the child number 2. After
Okay.
child number 2, I was staying focused and being faithful and trying, but
But then
I
you found that out.
I found out he had
Then
sex
she had
with
another
that
baby
girl.
on.
Hold on.
And then what did you do?
I wouldn't holler at somebody that seemed nice to me at my job. The communication, we communicate well and a lot of stuff.
Did you all
we
communicate
compatible.
really, really well?
Yeah, we did.
Okay. So you ended up
Really
having
well.
We
your
got
sex-
drunk. We got drunk together and
You got-
everything.
Oh,
Hold on, Mr. Kellum. And is this person possibly the father of your third child?
He's not actually.
Okay.
We took a test.
So he's excluded.
Yeah.
But there's somebody else who could possibly be the...
No, sir. No, sir. It's Joshua's.
So you believe that the third child could be yours?
It could be mine.
Okay. Ms. Bigby, you say it can only be his.
Yeah. It's not the other person, so it's got to be his.
The court has identified an independent witness who might shed some light on this issue. And so we're going to ask that person to come in at this time. Tashi, would you escort our witness in? Good day, sir. How are you?
I'm doing good. How you doing?
I'm doing all right, thank you. Would you state your name, please, for our record?
Obasi Johnson.
Okay. Mr. Johnson, do you know Mr. Kellum or Ms. Bigby?
I don't really know Josh that well, but I know Shanika.
Okay, and how do you know Ms. Bigby?
Me and Shanika met at work. We hit it off from there. I found out later that she had 2 kids and a boyfriend, Josh, that she was staying with. It wasn't until things kind of took a turn when she hit me up and she said she was pregnant.
Okay.
She said that she thought that I was the father. And she said she thought this because the whole time we was together, her and Josh weren't sexually active.
Do you have anything that supports that either you or Mr. Kellum could be the father? Did you do some kind of calculations? 'Cause that would be the one
Well,
I would do.
Yeah, based off of the the timeline she gave me, she said that she was conceived, the baby was conceived in September. Yeah, and she said that they weren't having sex. We met in like, what, July? So she said that they weren't having sex during that whole time.
All right.
Up until the conception of the baby.
All right, and you submitted a calendar to the court that kind of shows the window of conception
Right.
and why it could possibly be your child.
Right.
All right, let's take a look at that.
Who's red and who's blue?
So I'm blue, and he's red. I'm blue, he's red. So basically, she been sleeping with both of us through this whole time, which was my, calculation. So I'm just like, ain't no way that this baby is mine.
Well, there's some way. There's like a 50% chance, right?
Exactly. Exactly. Look.
Based on your evaluation.
You right. So I did have some, I was okay, it is a possibility that this is my kid, because we did have a lot of drunk sex, and, and we did have a lot of drunk sex, and a lot of it wasn't protected. Fast forward, the type of man I am, this is my first kid. I'm excited, you know what I mean? The type of man I am, I don't want to say that I wasn't there for the birth of my child. You know what I mean? So I was there. I was there throughout the 9 months to support her when she kicked Josh out. I was there to support her. And I was there in the birth. I was there when the baby was
And I didn't even know that.
the baby was born.
Quiet.
That's me cutting the umbilical cord. But in the hospital, I'm like, okay, when the baby came out, I'm like, okay, this baby light skinned. This baby too bright, too bright. So I looked at the nurse and I'm like, is the baby supposed to be this light? And the nurse said, oh, that's how they come out at first. But the physical features, the baby's face, it looked just like her second child that she had by the white dude.
You already know that Mr. Kellum is the father.
He should be, yeah.
Well, should be.
When it comes to the paternity of 1-month-old Harmony Bigby, Mr. Kellum, you
Holler at somebody that seemed nice to me at my job. We communicate well, and
did you all communicate really, really well?
yeah, we did.
Okay. Fine at that point.
I showed up the next day with a DNA test. I swabbed the baby mouth and I swabbed my mouth.
All right, this is a DNA test from Jenna Trace. The alleged father is Obasi Johnson, and it has a child's name, and it says conclusions of DNA paternity test. Based on the genetic testing results obtained by PCR analysis, the alleged father, Obasi, is excluded as the biological father of the child. The probability of paternity is 0%.
0%.
Mr. Bossy's out.
So we still have the question of who is the father of Miss Bigby's child? Okay, Miss Bigby, now that Mr. Johnson has been excluded, who else could be the father of your third child other than Mr. Kellum?
No one, Your Honor. The white man just left some speckles, and that's how she ended up light-skinned. But that's...
What did you just say?
He just left some genes in there, some, good light-skinned genes, so that's why she came out the way.
Okay,
No,
so
I
wait.
don't.
That's what I was saying, Your Honor. That's why I said she was still
I
intimate
wasn't.
with him because the baby.
Let's
Hold on, you know what?
please.
I think we've gone as far as this train's going to take us.
This train needs to jump the track.
I think we are...
Get off.
I think we are now at the point of
Please.
seeing these results.
Come on.
And Mr. Kellum, you submitted to a DNA test, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
To determine whether you are the father of Miss Bigby's third child.
I need to know.
You need to know.
We all do.
Miss Bigby needs to know. We all need to know.
I don't care to know. I already provided for my child myself, so.
And you already know that Mr. Kellum is the father.
He should be, yeah.
Well,
Well, should be.
should be. Is anybody else in the picture?
No, nobody. No, he should be.
You sure?
I'm positive, yes.
All right, these DNA results were prepared by DNA Diagnostic Center. When it comes to the paternity of 1-month-old Harmony Bigby, Mr. Kellum, you are not the father.
Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no.
I knew I wasn't the father. We've been trying to have a child since our 7-year-old. We've been trying to have another child since our 7-year-old. 7 years ago, we still ain't had no child. So I knew it wasn't my child. Every time she stepped outside the relationship, she ended up pregnant.
How are you feeling right now?
I'm really feeling down because I take care of the child. Like, I take care of all her kids. I treat all her kids like my kids. Like, I take care of them kids. Like, I'm there. Like, so it really hurts me. And 10 years for you to do me like that for 10 years straight, like, it just, like, that's why
Mr.
I
Kellum,
don't know what to say.
I'm gonna play Mama Bear. Mr. Cuddler, let me have this, okay?
All right.
All right. I got 3 sons. Run, don't walk. There is no love in this room. You are convenient and you are helpful. You're a good guy. There's a queen out there who will appreciate you and your children. I don't know what she got, but you don't need it. Ma'am, I'm gonna talk to you like well, if I had a daughter doing this, it'd be on and popping. But I'm gonna talk to you woman to woman. You are living dangerously. If you are having unprotected sex with all these men, you are at risk. And let me just say this. You are more valuable than what you're living. You got 3 kids. Stop it. Mr. Johnson, thank you for your testimony and your information. Tasha is showing out. All right, love, I'm through. You can.
Mr. Kellum, I've got a question for you. Do you have any concerns about whether you're the father of her first child?
I do have concerns because, like I say, this is the second time this done happened to me. Like, and she continued to lie to me and tell me, this is my child, this is my child.
So will you be seeking a paternity test
I will
for the
be
first
seeking,
child?
yes.
Do you want to stay in a relationship with Ms. Bigby?
No.
I'm single anyway.
Don't get me wrong, I do love
single.
her.
We're
I do
single.
love her. But at the same time, like you say, I'm going to continue to keep bringing myself down by being with her because she's never going to admit to what she do or what she wants to do.
Well, here's what I'm going to say. Ms. Bigby, you're 30. These 30 years of your life have already been written. The story you're going to have for your 3 daughters is how you turned your life around. That's going to be your story to them. And it's only going to be that story for them because they're going to model what they see. And they need to see a woman who has made some mistakes but has turned their life around. That's what those kids need more than anything else. Based on the DNA results that we have received, it has been determined that you, Mr. Kellum, are not the father of Ms. Bigby's 3rd child. That is the determination of this court. This court is adjourned.
When she was cheating and I seen the counter, it was kind of shocking that I did not know any of this.
I knew that it wasn't my kid, and I knew it wasn't Josh's kid.
Honestly confused because I don't know who else could be the father.
When I got the results, I was shocked because I wanted Josh to be the father because so that kids can have somebody in their life.